Vehicle Man channel. So what we have here is a new 2020 Wolverine X2 XTR, and we need to build a carport for it. And the way we're going to do this is we're going to build it off of a shed that's already built. So one wall will be built off the shed and the other two side walls will be built. And so basically I'm going to show you a very easy way to quickly build a carport if you already have a shed, and basically just extending the shed. I've already done it on the other side for some other machinery, and I'll give you a glimpse of that and we'll get going. So this is the one that's already built off the shed. As you can see, we just plant some posts connected to the wall there, put up some a beam and then rafters, put up the roof panels, and boom, you got a nice carport. And so you can see it just extends off the shed. So the shed is the base. And you know, the reason I came up with this is I didn't want to spend the money for another shed. Didn't feel like building a whole shed or something I'm going to drive in and out of. So that's why I'm doing a carport. So we're going to extend it now onto the other side. Because the unit, the UTV is so tall, we're going to have to extend it a little bit above the roof of it. Kind of complicates things a little bit, but you get the general idea. Planted two posts and we connected two posts to the actual shed with a cross beam, and then we're going to put up paneling on each side, put another cross beam, put all the joists with the rafters, and then put the roof panels on. Pretty simple. And then we'll have a nice shaded spot, or you know, I guess not shaded because it's transparent, but protected spot for the UTV. Alright, so we have everything up now. All the supports, the cross beams on the posts, the rafters and the roof joists. Now we're just going to put the roof panels on and then the side panels, and we're done.